Lexus of Albuquerque is here to help you learn about the available engine of the 2023 Lexus RX 350, as well as its horsepower, 0 to 60 time, and top speed. This energetic luxury crossover SUV's available engine is a 2.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder mild hybrid electric engine or a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Its horsepower is either 246 or 275 HP, depending on the trim level. The 0 to 60 time of the 2023 RX 350 ranges from an estimated 7.1 to 5.9 seconds, depending on trim level. And finally, the top speed is an estimated 112 to 130 miles per hour, depending on trim level for the 2023 model year. To learn more about the top speed, 0 to 60 time, horsepower, and available engine of the 2023 Lexus RX 350 in Albuquerque, visit us online or in person at Lexus of Albuquerque. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. We look forward to serving you.